Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to bend square in Photoshop. Let's begin. I already created a new layer. Select the shape, right click, rectangle, hold shift, click and drag it and select the rectangle, square shape layer. Right click on your mouse, convert to smart object. Again, right click on your mouse, rasterize layer. Then go to edit tab, puppet, warp and select your point, warp this warp. Example, I added this point for this warp. Okay, I already added this point. Then select the point, click and drag it. Click and drag it. Delete pin, right click, delete. Then click and drag it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.